Welcome to this analysis. Today is 26th of March 2026, and of course, it's Thursday. Alright, so let's start up with the fundamental aspects as usual before we come back to the fundamental to the technical. And remember, if this is the first time coming across this video, I'll actually do this every single day, dropping analysis on our currency pairs, which and also gold and BTC. We trade mainly three pairs: the pound dollar, BTCUSD, and XAUUSD. Alright, so every day we give analysis on these three pairs. So if today your first time you want to see more of this, please do well to make sure you join the community by subscribing and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you get reminded once the next video is being posted. That said, on the fundamentals today, we'll be expecting a major news by 1:30 p.m. Nigerian time, which is the unemployment claim. So that happens by 1:30. You can see that's right here. And of course, remember, we are using Nigerian local time. So you can actually do well to adjust the time by coming over here and adjust time to your local time so you can know the perfect time you'll be expecting this particular news. Alright, that's it. Let's go back to the technical aspects. On the pound dollar yesterday, we actually said the market has been moving in a range pattern in this form, and of course, we said our buy analysis comes up. If the market happens to break above this, then take this out as we'll be looking up for a buy. Otherwise, if that does not happen, then wait for the market to actually get to this level that this previous support right here. You can get back to this previous support and actually still be looking for another buy. So any of that happens is what determine what we'll be doing, whether we are going long here or we are going long here. But then if happens that the market happens to put below this, we can then push up. But then remember, it's possible that throughout just what happened yesterday, the market still remain in this range. It's neither going on the bullish nor on the bearish. So in case today it happens that none of them breaks out, just wait tomorrow. We're going to do tomorrow's analysis and they'll be explaining what to look out for. Hopefully by then it must have broken out. So on pound dollar, we're still waiting for the market to actually give us a good entry opportunity, either at this level or below this. So that's that for pound dollar. So let's go to the next one, which is BTCUSD. And of course, USD analysis yesterday, where we say we expect the market to still break above this and continue going bullish. But then when actually book with this particular pattern close into this zone, we actually check the 15-minute chart, but then the candlestick formation was not even bullish confirmation, so we just have to keep fingers crossed. You can see this right here. So when this really happened, we saw this rejection. They can see this inside candlestick. We're actually waiting for the bullish candle to confirm this was to go up, but that did not happen. The same thing happened here. We actually book above it, but then when this actually happened, we didn't really take this thing. Why? Because on the higher time frame, it's close as a rejection. This happened, I think, at night, so it's close as a rejection. So we didn't really take this particular trade. But then you can see right here, this happened close to rejection. This happened close to rejection. So I can see the low momentum candlestick, and I think that it's already going back into the bullish pattern. So then on the bullish pattern, I need to into the bearish. So now I need to go in bearish for today. That's actually what the market is currently saying. So we should be looking for bearish. Remember to that on this level before bearish trade, back to this level, but the best option is to look for a bullish trade back because there's a lot of momentum on our BTC. Remember, you can get a spike like this, just to take you out. So you're gonna be going short. Here is the short setup on gold over here. So I said gold on BTC. Please, your stop loss should be at least above this rejection here to confirm, because any movement above this rejection is a good sign to buy this market. So that's the stop loss on there, and of course this is your current entry. Alright. So that's that for, I remember this for scalping purpose because you just want to switch to reward. The best option just to wait for the market actually close above this, then you can do for long trade, or then you wait for it to get below for you to look for short trade. But then for the scalpers, you can actually go this for some tips and leave the market. Alright, that's it. Let's go to the next one, which is the final one, XAU USD. Good. Alright. Now on gold, we're actually looking for a bullish setup. Just we can already see it lined up, perfectly lined up. So I don't think there's any much for me to analyze on gold already. What I'm waiting for just a confirmation candlestick for this to actually close the rejection. Then get a confirmation candlestick fully closed bullish. Then I go long on gold. Of course, my entry is gonna be above this level. Once the candle closes above this level, then I just look for my long trades. stop loss will be done right here. Of course, take profit. Minimum of 1 is to 2 is to reward ratio. So this is what I do for gold. So I'm still waiting for it, hoping that gold actually gets to my target. Hopefully, so let me take this. What's going on? All right. Okay. So hopefully it closes bullish and then taking me in and then I go long this way and stop loss below this. Alright, so that brings us to the end of the analysis. Remember, just analyze the pound dollar, BTCUSD and XAUUSD. Just in case you didn't get any more, you can watch it over and over again. And please don't forget that we do this every single day. So you can do well again to come here tomorrow for tomorrow's analysis. Just in case maybe today did not really go well with you. Remember, I've always said it. This is not me telling you how to trade, just to use this as a guide to your own personal analysis. Please do your own due diligence to know what you do so you don't end up losing more than you can afford to do. And those actually said it, no matter how perfect the chart looks, no matter how great it is, they can actually still go the other way you never expected. That said, I wish you a profitable day trader here. Please ensure you stay safe, you trade safe, and don't risk more than you can afford to lose.